Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 584. The title of today's lesson is the difference between tiresome and tiring. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. When a person says that something is tiresome, it means that one has become irritated, annoyed, or bored. This will definitely reduce one's enthusiasm and may lower one's energy, but is not necessarily very physically tiring. If one can change the situation or atmosphere, one could quickly regain one's energy if you just get out of that situation once the annoyance or the boring part stops. However, it could make one mentally tired for a period. Well, if it was really wearing you down for a long time, that would take a little longer to recover. All right, let's continue. When someone says that something is tiring, it physically is wearing down one's body, especially to the point of needing or wanting to rest or sleep or take a nap or something like that. All right, we got 7 examples to show just how this is used. Here's the first one. All her nagging is quite tiresome. All right, again, tiresome would, in this case, would mean, annoying or irritating. But if you can quickly get away from this nagging person, you might be okay. You might be fine. You might quickly feel refreshed and okay. Number 2, that teacher's boring class is very tiresome, especially while you're in the class. You got to bear through it. Yeah, it's kind of boring, maybe a little annoying, but when the class is over, you might be fine. Number 3, her constant meddling in our business was quite tiresome. So again, this is annoying, this is irritating. But again, when you're out of this situation, you might be okay quickly. All right, number 4, as a nurse, I have to be on my feet all day, and it is quite tiring. Yeah, at the end of the day, when she goes home, it takes her a while to physically recover. She may need to take a nap or lay down or sit down for a long time, maybe soak her feet or something like that. So it is very tiring, and it's wearing down her body. All right, number 5, it took me 5 hours to clean out this room. It was quite tiring. Again, you are physically moving a lot, so it's physically tiring. Not necessarily boring or annoying, but definitely tiring. Okay. When you first start working out, it is very tiring on your body. After a while, it gets better and better. So again, this is definitely physically. Again, not necessarily boring. You might like it. It's not necessarily annoying. Okay. Number 7, it was so tiring that it wore me out. I really needed a nap. Yeah, this is definitely physically wearing down your body. You need to rest. So tiring would be better. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.